Hi everyone, Sam here from Samantha K Crafts. This is just a super quick video to show a paint squishing technique, which is absolutely amazing to do with kids. You can use the kids' poster paints or the type of paints you can buy in supermarkets, acrylic paints, whatever you've got to hand that's sort of a liquid paint with a little bit of body to it is perfect for this technique. So as you can see, I have dolloped, in this case, that's a cool word, 4 colours on a piece of paper in a line going down the page, and I have just used a hard flat surface to drag along to mix the colour together. Now there is lots of ways you can do this. Obviously you can use lots of colours, they can have lots of fun sort of doing this, and this creates amazing backgrounds for them to stick on or draw on or whatever they want to do. So this is exactly the same thing, just done in a different way. Again, instead of doing it in lines, I'm doing dots all over with different colours. Again, let the kids pick the colours, let them have fun. If you haven't got a piece of acrylic like I had, you know, an old CD case, don't do it with your CDs in there. If you want to do it on a little piece of paper, you could use an old credit card or something. You know, you will find something to be able to do this with the kids. You know, even a stiff bit of cardboard will tide you by, even though it will sort of get a bit ruined and you'll have to get rid. Anyway, take care. Love it if you'd subscribe. Hope you enjoyed these tips. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell notification if you want to keep updated on future videos.